Welcome to our video where we will be comparing two amazing smart TVs. If you are in the market for a new TV, you've come to the right place. Before we start, make sure to like this video, comment on which TV you prefer, and subscribe to our channel for more tech reviews. Both Sony and Toshiba TVs have a sleek and modern look, but Sony's 65-inch TV is larger and has a wider screen-to-body ratio compared to Toshiba's 50-inch TV. Sony wins this category due to its larger and more modern design. Both TVs offer 4K Ultra HD resolution and HDR technology, but the Sony TV has a full-array LED contrast with cognitive processor XR, allowing for deep blacks and natural colors. Sony TV also supports Dolby Vision, IMAX Enhanced, and Netflix Adaptive Calibrated Mode. Sony wins this category for its superior contrast and color range. Sony's TV has specially designed features for gamers, including auto HDR tone mapping and auto genre picture switch. It also has an input lag as low as 8.5 milliseconds, making it perfect for gaming. Toshiba's TV does not have any specific gaming features. Sony TV wins this category for its tailored gaming features. Both smart TVs offer Google TV with Google Assistant, so you can easily access your favorite content. Sony also supports AirPlay 2, which allows you to stream from your Apple device. Additionally, Sony's TV includes movies in 4K UHD quality from the Bravia Core app. Sony TV wins this category for its ability to stream from multiple devices and the included 4K movies. And the winner is Sony's 65-inch 4K Ultra HD TV X90K series for its superior design, picture quality, gaming features, and smart features. However, both TVs are great options depending on your needs and budget. Don't forget to let us know in the comments which TV you prefer and subscribe to our channel for more tech reviews.